Hello YouTube, my name is Sandeep Pratap and in this video we're going to unbox Google Pixel 3 watch, and with that we'll get to see what comes in the package and what all you need to make it really function like a good watch. With that said, let's get right into unboxing. It comes in a box like this. I think the unboxing has to happen somewhere here. Yeah, there you go. There is the tab. So we pull this tab to get into the actual box. So when you open up the box looks like this. This is just nothing but an empty package. The actual box looks like this. There you can see the box. Let me put this away, and you can see the front. It shows in AVEC with Fitbit. Then it shows Galaxy Pixel Watch 3 45mm LTE version, uh, LTE Wear OS by Google, all of that good stuff. Let's see. Let's slide this out. Hopefully it slides out. Oh no. So there is a tab here which we pull this out, and then once we pull that out, I think this slides out here. With that out of the way, this is how the watch looks like. Now there's another tab here which I'm going to pull. So this comes with something. I don't know what it is. Let's go ahead and unbox this as well. There you go. This is the 45mm watch. Looks like I need to use this to pull it out, or maybe I need to use this to pull it out. Yeah. Either the way, the watch comes out of the box. There is the watch. There is no cover or anything on this. It's pretty hefty, as you can see here. I'm gonna put this back here, and in this thing there is a charger. It looks very similar to the Apple charger, but it's a little different. It's rounded edges and everything. So let's keep this aside here. So you have the watch, you have the charger. Let's see if we get the bands. So unboxing this, you can see here that there's another tab, there's another sticker here. Let's take this out, put this away, and if you open this up, there you go. Couple of bands here. Okay, what have they done here? There we go. Okay, now there's another one here. Let's unbox this out. Let's keep this away. This is to showcase to you how the size differs between Google Pixel Watch 3 and Galaxy Watch Ultra. So if you can see here that the size looks almost very similar, and when compared to both the watches, apart from the bezels around, not the bezel, the casing around the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which is this portion of it, if you leave that aside, both the watches almost look the same size. Yeah, with that said, that was a quick unboxing of Google Pixel Watch 3.